Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. American rapper Dave East is currently in Jamaica, where he has teamed up with the unruly boss himself, Popcorn. The rapper recently shared these images and videos on social media of some of the different stops in the island he has visited. Among his many stops are the inner city community of Tivoli Gardens, which he referenced in the single Unruly, as well as Portmore.
It is outside for real, for real.
Dave East and Popcorn collaborated on the track Unruly, which is featured on East's latest mixtape, Karma 3. The third mixtape installment was released August 13. The prior installments were back in 2017 and 2018. Karma 3 sees collaborations from heavyweights such as Trey Songz, Mary J. Blige, A Boogie with the Hoodie, and Young Dolph.
Unruly, the boss fully Jamaican. Davies run the streets, them my East Island.
Now onto the international scene.